So continuing the Lancaster tour here, stood just behind the pilot seat, and this is the domain of the flight engineer. You can see his fold up seat here. Most of the time, maybe have the seat part up, but the back will be sewed as we see here, as this is his main panel. This panel here, which is back and right of the pilot, has top right side is your oil pressures. The yellow indicators there are your oil temperatures. Underneath are your radiator temperatures, so the water-cooled engine. And then we have our 6 fuel tanks, 3 in each wing. So that is the flight engineer's domain. To the left of that, the red star shapes of the white knobs, those are your fuel cocks, so you can select those 3 tanks or an off position. Above it, the various switches are your fuel pumps with pressure indicators, and then the fuel pump test switches below. The little white plug here will be somewhere to plug in your flying suit. It's a power socket. So he'd spend his time mostly perched on the edge of this seat, looking backwards at this, and then forwards from the seating position. If I stand where he would be operating most of the time. This is also his domain at the front. So I'll use my finger to point here so it's easier to see. Along here we have our covered starter switches. So under each one of those is a starter button. We have our booster coil for the startup as well. That will power the coil for each engine, and each of those is the starter motor. His own flight engineer's oxygen set, regulator set. These are the feathering buttons for each engine, 1, 2, 3 and 4. To feather the propeller, if you want to shut an engine down and stop the propeller turning, you need to turn the propeller edge on into the airflow to try and stop it turning. So if an engine was overheating when you closed it down and the prop kept turning, it's very likely to catch fire. So you want to try and feather the propeller while you have oil pressure. Below that we have the fire extinguisher buttons, downward identification light, Morse code key with the selectable lights, and the brake pneumatic pressures, main pressure, left and right brake when it's operated. Famous seat for Lancaster, rad shutters to auto. These will be these chaps here for each engine. Automatic pneumatically powered radiator shutters that operate on a thermostat system. It also has control of the magnetos, 2 for each engine, engine 1, engine 2, 3 and 4 with their gang bar. Boost controls, this is your throttle setting effectively for the manifold pressure of the engine. So you set your throttle sets manifold pressure. RPM gauge is speed of the propeller. The speed of the propeller is turning for each engine, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that's controlled with the propeller levers. And then we've got the master fuel cocks. So these are the starboard side, engine 3, engine 4, engine 1 and engine 2. In the middle, it may also be responsible for the flap lever. The pilot has control of that as well if he needs to. Then pilot controls gear lever, rudder trim, aileron trim, and here would be the elevator trim, but the